Ramadan is near, Ramadan is near. The crescent moon will soon appear. We'll wake up early before the light and eat our suhoor with all our might. Ramadan is coming, it's almost here. A time for kindness and holding dear to those who need us far and wide. With gentle hearts we'll walk beside. Ramadan is near, Ramadan is near. We'll read the Quran loud and clear. We'll learn and grow in every way and pray to Allah every day. Ramadan is coming, it's nearly here. A time for patience and holding dear. Our little tummies will wait to eat till sunset comes, a special treat. Ramadan is here soon, so very soon. We'll share our blessings 'neath the moon. With family and friends, we'll break our fast. A happy time that's sure to last. Ramadan is here soon, so very soon. We'll share our blessings 'neath the moon. With family and friends, we'll break our fast. A happy time that's sure to last.